Engineering at Home with Stephen the Engineer. Are you hungry for knowledge? Good, because it's time to uncover the science that's hiding in your kitchen, right next to your leftover pizza. Today, we're talking about that household wizard, the microwave. Imagine you're staring at the revolving plate in your microwave, watching as last night's lasagna slowly comes back to life. Have you ever wondered what's actually going on inside? How does your microwave turn cold, lifeless food into a piping hot feast in mere minutes? Let's spill the beans. Microwaves, despite their mysterious reputation, operate on a very simple principle. They excite water molecules. It's not a party, but it does involve a lot of rapid movement. Microwaves, which are a form of electromagnetic wave, agitate the water molecules in your food. This agitation creates heat, which is then evenly distributed throughout your meal. The wizard behind this magic trick is the magnetron, a vacuum tube that produces microwaves. These waves are then directed into the oven where they bounce around until they are absorbed by the food. The more water content the food has, the quicker it will heat up. That's why a bowl of soup heats up faster than a chunk of cheese. But it's not just about heating food. Modern microwaves come with a variety of settings and features designed to optimize the cooking process. From defrosting your frozen chicken to popping your favorite popcorn, the microwave is a master of many. It's also worth noting that microwaves are safe. Despite internet myths, they don't make your food radioactive. They simply excite the water molecules to generate heat. The instant the microwave is switched off, the microwaves disappear. The only radiation you need to worry about is the radiant heat from your now hot lasagna. So there you have it, your microwave, unmasked. It's not as mysterious as it seemed, right? It's a marvel of engineering, a testament to human innovation, and, most importantly, it's the fastest way to satisfy your late-night cravings. Next time you're heating up a snack, remember, you're not just cooking. You're witnessing a marvel of engineering, science, and technology, right there on your kitchen counter. Now go, enjoy your hot lasagna, and appreciate the wonders of the humble microwave.